I think you're going to love this deep dive. We're going to be talking all about bathroom design.
Ooh.
Exploring the hottest trends for 2025 and uncovering some genius renovation tips that won't break the bank.
Love it.
And speaking of making a splash in the real estate world, have you heard of Amit Bhuta and the All in Miami group?
Oh, they're amazing. They're not just selling luxury real estate, they're setting the standard.
Yeah.
We're talking top rankings in the U.S., innovative marketing strategies that have buyers clamoring for Miami properties, and a genuine passion for sharing that vibrant Miami lifestyle.
That's incredible. So if you're even remotely considering buying or selling a home anywhere, Amit and his team are the ones to call.
For sure.
Now back to those bathrooms. Imagine stepping into a spa-like oasis every morning, surrounded by natural materials, warm colors.
Yes.
That's the vibe for 2025.
It really is. It's all about bringing the outdoors in and creating a sense of tranquility. Think luxurious stone-stained wood with rich textures and those beautiful handmade clay tiles.
Okay, I'm already feeling more relaxed just thinking about it. I've seen these gorgeous Zellige tiles popping up everywhere.
Yeah.
What makes them so special?
Each Zellige tile is unique.
Okay.
They're hand-cut and sun-dried, giving them this wonderfully organic, imperfect look.
Cool.
No two are exactly alike, so they add a real sense of character and depth to a space.
I love that. And then there's marble, which is having a major resurgence.
Oh, yeah.
We're seeing it used in exciting new ways, from dramatic backsplashes to entire shower walls, creating this luxurious, almost regal feel.
It's true.
Speaking of luxury, what about color palettes? Are we moving away from those cool grays and blues that have been so popular?
We are.
I'm ready for a change.
You're in luck. The trend is shifting towards warm, inviting earth tones.
Yes.
Think deep greens inspired by nature,
Like it.
rich browns, and even pops of mustard yellow or eggplant for a touch of drama.
Ooh.
Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, they're all embracing this shift towards warmth. And Pantone even announced their 2025 Color of the Year, Mocha Mousse.
Love it.
It's all about creating spaces that feel sophisticated and comforting.
Mocha Mousse. I love it.
Yeah.
And what about lime wash paint? They've
Wow.
been trending for a while now. Is that still a thing?
It is, but instead of those lighter, airy shades, we're seeing a shift towards richer, deeper hues.
Okay.
Like dusty sage green or even a muted rose.
Oh, wow.
These colors add depth and warmth while still maintaining that signature lime wash texture and subtle variation.
So we've got natural materials, warm colors.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about a trend that's causing quite a stir in the design world. Wet rooms.
Oh, yeah.
What are your thoughts on this, combining the shower and tub into one seamless space?
Wet rooms definitely create a sleek, modern aesthetic. Yeah. And they can be especially practical in smaller bathrooms where you can't fit both a shower and a tub separately.
Yeah.
But it's not a universally loved trend.
I can imagine.
Real estate agent Marlena Madoff, for example, argues that wet rooms are more style than substance and might not be as functional in the long run.
What are her concerns specifically?
She worries about water splashing throughout the entire space.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Making it difficult to keep clean and potentially causing damage over time.
Right.
She also questions their longevity as a trend, wondering if they might feel dated in a few years.
I see.
But then you have interior designer Jenny Slingerland, who's a big advocate for wet rooms.
Okay.
She sees them as a brilliant way to maximize space and create a luxurious spa-like experience.
It's interesting to see how opinions differ on this trend. It seems like it really comes down to personal preference and lifestyle.
It does.
What else is trending in the world of bathroom design? Are there any technological advancements we should be aware of?
Absolutely. Smart bathrooms are becoming increasingly popular.
Cool.
Homeowners are integrating technology to create a truly luxurious and personalized spa experience right in their own homes.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
Imagine stepping into a steam shower that envelops you with colored lights designed to balance your energy.
Oh, wow.
That's chromotherapy. And releases soothing aromatherapy scents.
Nice.
It's all about creating a personalized oasis of relaxation and rejuvenation.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
We're also seeing a move towards dimmable smart lighting that allows you to adjust the mood and ambiance of your bathroom with ease.
Yes.
It's all about creating that perfect lighting for a relaxing bath or getting ready in the morning.
Exactly.
And what about lighting fixtures themselves? Are we still seeing a lot of those cold modern designs?
Actually, there's a noticeable shift away from that minimalist aesthetic towards warmer, more natural materials like wood and reed.
Really?
These organic textures bring a sense of warmth and grounding to the space,
I like that.
contrasting beautifully with those sleek tiles and fixtures.
Oh, I've seen some stunning vintage Murano glass fixtures lately.
Oh, yeah.
Those colorful glass globes add such a unique touch.
They do.
And you know what else is making a comeback? Mixing metals.
Yes.
It's all about creating that layered, lived-in look.
Right.
Thick metals with patina, those beautiful imperfections that tell a story.
It's a definite move away from those matchy-matchy cookie-cutter bathrooms.
Uh-huh.
People are embracing character and individuality.
It's all about creating a space that reflects your personal style and tells your story. Now, I know we've covered some pretty luxurious trends, but let's be realistic.
Okay.
Not everyone has an unlimited budget for bathroom renovations.
Right?
So let's shift gears and dive into some budget-friendly ways to upgrade your bathroom without spending a fortune.
Love that.
Would you say there are any key principles to keep in mind when trying to maximize impact on a smaller budget?
Absolutely. First and foremost, focus on the upgrades that will give you the most bang for your buck.
Okay.
Those transformative changes that instantly elevate the entire space.
Got it.
And one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is to the shower.
I can see that.
Yeah.
It's such a focal point in the bathroom. But replacing a shower can be expensive.
True.
What are some more budget-friendly options?
Even simply replacing the shower door with a new frameless glass door can make a world of difference.
Oh.
It instantly opens up the space, creates a more modern look, and allows those beautiful new tiles to shine through.
So we're talking about maximizing visual impact without necessarily doing a complete overhaul.
Exactly.
What are some other high-impact, budget-friendly upgrades we should consider?
Upgrading your fixtures is a great place to start.
Go.
Replacing outdated faucets and shower heads with sleek, modern designs can instantly modernize the space without breaking the bank.
Right.
And don't underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint.
Yeah.
A new color, especially one of those warm, earthy tones we talked about earlier,
Right.
can completely transform the look and feel of your bathroom for a relatively small investment.
Those are great tips.
Yeah,
Now, flooring can be a major expense in any bathroom renovation.
it can.
Are there any budget-friendly options that don't sacrifice style?
There are some fantastic, durable, and water-resistant vinyl and laminate options available.
Oh, cool.
That realistically mimic the look of pricier materials like hardwood or stone.
So you can get that high-end look without the high-end price tag.
Yeah. Exactly. And if you're set on tile but want to keep costs down, classic white or light-colored subway tiles are a timeless and affordable option that never goes out of style.
You mentioned natural stone earlier. Are those completely off the table for a budget renovation?
Not necessarily. Natural stone tiles can definitely add warmth and character,
Yeah.
but you do have to factor in the maintenance. They require a bit more care and upkeep compared to other materials.
Oh, okay.
And if you're considering glass tiles, just be mindful of the slippery factor, especially when wet, safety first.
Good point. So we've talked showers, fixtures, paint, and flooring. What about lighting and mirrors? Those can really make or break a bathroom's ambience.
For sure.
What are some budget-friendly ways to upgrade those elements?
Upgrading to stylish wall sconces, pendant lights, or energy-efficient LEDs can instantly elevate the look and feel of your bathroom without a huge expense.
Okay.
And don't underestimate the power of a well-placed mirror. Replacing an outdated mirror or simply framing your existing one can make a huge difference. It's all about those little details that add up to a big impact.
Okay, last but not least, let's talk vanities. They're the focal point of any bathroom,
Yeah.
but they can also be a major investment.
All right.
What are some budget-friendly ways to update a vanity without spending a fortune?
First and foremost, choose a vanity that meets both your style and storage needs.
Okay.
Think about how much storage you actually need and what kind of look you're going for. If you're feeling creative and want a truly unique piece, try repurposing an old dresser into a vanity.
Oh, that's a great idea.
It's a budget-friendly way to add personality and charm to your bathroom while giving new life to a pre-loved piece.
That's such a great idea. And if you're not ready for a full vanity replacement, regrouting and resealing your existing tile can freshen things up without breaking the bank. It's a great way to extend the life of your tile and make it look brand new.
Exactly. Sometimes it's those small strategic updates that make the biggest difference. It's all about finding those cost-effective solutions that align with your style and budget.
I think that's a perfect place to pause for now. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, from those swoon-worthy bathroom trends to brilliant budget-friendly tips. But there's so much more to explore. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back with even more insights and inspiration to help you create the bathroom of your dreams.
Welcome back. We were just discussing some pretty amazing ways to upgrade your bathroom without emptying your wallet.
Right. And I think it's so important to remember that a bathroom renovation doesn't have to be this massive, overwhelming project.
For sure.
You can achieve a stunning transformation, even with a few strategic updates.
Absolutely. And it all starts with identifying those key elements that will make the biggest impact within your budget.
So let's recap some of those budget-friendly gems we uncovered.
Okay, so first up, we have the shower. A new custom shower, or even just a sleek new glass door, can instantly modernize your bathroom and make it feel more spacious.
Right. And if you're looking for a quick and relatively inexpensive way to refresh the look, swapping out those old faucets and shower heads with modern fixtures can work wonders.
Definitely. And don't forget about the transformative power of paint. A fresh coat in a trendy color can completely revitalize the space. And for flooring, we talked about those durable and water-resistant vinyl and laminate options that mimic the look of pricier materials like hardwood or stone.
Right. And if you love the look of tile but need to keep costs down, those classic white or light-colored subway tiles are a timeless and affordable choice that offers endless design possibilities.
It's true. Lighting is another key element that can dramatically elevate your bathroom's ambiance. Upgrading to stylish wall sconces, pendant lights, or energy-efficient LEDs can make a huge difference without breaking the bank.
And speaking of making a statement, a well-chosen mirror can truly enhance the space. Whether you replace an outdated mirror or simply frame your existing one, it's a simple upgrade that can have a big impact.
For sure. And finally, we explored some creative ways to update vanities without spending a fortune. Choosing a vanity that maximizes both style and storage is essential. And for those who love a DIY project, repurposing an old dresser into a unique vanity can be a fun and budget-friendly solution.
I love that idea. It's all about finding those creative solutions that allow you to personalize your space and express your unique style.
Exactly. And that brings us to a crucial aspect of any bathroom renovation: personalization. It's about creating a space that truly reflects your individual preferences and needs.
So while trends are a fantastic source of inspiration, you don't have to follow them blindly. It's your bathroom, and it should be a reflection of you.
Right. Think about the colors, materials, and textures that make you feel happy and relaxed. Imagine stepping into a space that instantly soothes your senses and elevates your mood.
And remember, functionality is just as important as style. Choose fixtures and finishes that simplify your life and enhance your daily routine. For instance, a handheld shower head can make all the difference if you have kids or pets.
Definitely. A bathroom should be both beautiful and practical. It's about finding that perfect harmony between form and function.
So as you embark on this exciting journey of transforming your bathroom, keep these key takeaways in mind. Prioritize those upgrades that offer the most value. Choose materials and finishes that speak to your personal style, and don't be afraid to get creative.
Absolutely. And remember, even small changes can make a big difference. So don't feel overwhelmed. Take it one step at a time and enjoy the process of creating a bathroom that brings you joy.
Now, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. If you could upgrade just one element in your bathroom to instantly elevate the space, what would it be and why?
Oh, good question. Would it be that luxurious walk-in shower you've always dreamed of? Or perhaps it's those stunning marble countertops that would instantly add a touch of sophistication?
Ooh, yeah.
Think about the element that would bring you the most joy and enhance your daily routine.
Imagine stepping into your bathroom and feeling that instant sense of satisfaction and delight. Now, before we wrap things up, let's give another shout out to our friends at the All in Miami group.
Yes.
If you're considering buying or selling a home anywhere, their expertise is unmatched.
Definitely. They're passionate about helping people achieve their real estate dreams, and their innovative marketing strategies consistently get top dollar for their clients. So if you're looking for a team that goes above and beyond, look no further than Amit, Bhuta and the All in Miami group.
They're truly setting a new standard in the industry. Now let's transition to our final thoughts and takeaways from this deep dive into bathroom design trends and budget-friendly renovations.
We've explored a wealth of information today, from those cutting-edge trends to practical tips for maximizing your budget. But ultimately, the most important thing is to create a space that you absolutely love.
A bathroom that reflects your personality, enhances your daily routine, and provides a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation.
So whether you're planning a full-scale renovation or simply incorporating a few updates, remember to have fun with the process and make it your own.
Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, textures, and materials. And most importantly, trust your instincts and create a bathroom that reflects your unique style.
And remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed or need expert guidance, Amit, Bhuta and the All in Miami group are here to help you navigate the exciting world of real estate.
So there you have it. We've reached the end of our deep dive into bathroom design trends and budget-friendly renovations. We hope you found this episode informative, inspiring, and maybe even a little bit empowering.
Now go forth and create those stunning bathrooms. Transform those spaces into oases of style and tranquility. And remember, the most important thing is to create a bathroom that brings you joy.
A space that reflects your unique personality and enhances your daily life. Till next time, happy renovating. It's amazing how just a few upgrades can really change a space, you know?
It's true. Even small changes can make a big difference.
Yeah. And when it comes to bathrooms, the possibilities are endless.
Absolutely.
Whether you love that sleek look of a wet room or the inviting warmth of natural materials.
Right.
There's a trend out there for everyone.
There is. And remember, you don't have to spend a fortune to create a bathroom that you love.
Yeah. And we talked about some really great budget-friendly tips.
We did.
A fresh coat of paint, some new fixtures, even a repurposed vanity.
Yeah.
You can completely change the look and feel of your bathroom.
Absolutely.
And don't forget about lighting and mirrors.
So important.
They can create that spa-like ambiance.
For sure.
It's all about creating a space that feels functional but beautiful.
Right.
A sanctuary where you can relax and recharge.
Yeah.
So as you think about your bathroom renovation, remember to prioritize those upgrades that offer the most value.
Right.
Choose materials and finishes that you love.
Yeah.
And don't be afraid to get creative.
Be creative. Have fun.
And if you need any help navigating the world of real estate, whether you're buying or selling, Amit, Bhuta and the All in Miami group are there to help.
Definitely. They are passionate about helping people find their dream homes.
They are. And their innovative marketing strategies really get results.
They do.
So that wraps up our deep dive into bathroom design trends and budget-friendly renovations.
It does.
We hope you feel inspired and empowered
to
create a bathroom that you truly love.
Make it a space that reflects your unique personality.
Exactly. Until next time, happy renovating.
Happy renovating.